In this video, I'm going to show you how to right-click on your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. So the first thing we need to do is just open up the settings application on your MacBook. And what you need to do is come all the way down to the bottom here and click on trackpad. Now from this window, we're going to be able to see how our right click is currently set up. So depending on what it's set up as depends on what button we need to press to go and right click. So if you come down here to secondary click, you can see currently mine's set to click with 2 fingers. So if I just come over to the trackpad on my MacBook, if I go and click on my trackpad with 2 fingers like this, you can see that goes in right clicks. Now what you can do is go and change the settings here. So if I click on the drop down arrow next to secondary click, I can change this to click in bottom right corner, for example. And then what I can do is just go and press the bottom right hand side of my trackpad, and that's also going to right click. So just go and set this to however you want to right click on your MacBook. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.